In 2025, SEO isn't just about keywords. It's about user intent and creating content that connects with your audience. The key to rank higher is having well-structured content strategies. So if you're still blogging the way you did even 2 years ago, you're already falling behind. Hi, I'm Jill from Gravity Right, and today we will see how to create SEO optimized blogs in 2025. And at the end, I'll also give you a bonus tip that can help you to become a go-to expert in your niche. So without any further ado, let's get started. A successful blog should have a clear target keyword that aligns with what people are actually searching, a catchy and relevant meta title, a compelling meta description that encourages clicks, well-organized headings that guides both readers and search engines, naturally placed keywords without stuffing, and the most important, valuable content that actually helps the readers. Sounds like a lot? That's exactly why we built Gravity Right, to take the hard work out of blogging. From keyword optimization to content generation, it automates the entire process so that you can create high-performing blogs in fraction of time. So just go to gravitywrite.com. In the sidebar, go to AI Blog Writer and click on Write a New Blog. Here, you have to enter the title of your blog. If you have no idea on what topic you want to create a blog on, you can click on Suggest Blog Topics by AI. Now here, just enter the niche or the target keyword. I want to create a blog on development of AI in 2025, so I'm going to enter that here and click on Suggest Blog Topics with AI. It will suggest blog titles based on your niche. Just choose the one you like. After this, you have an option to select how you want the outline to be generated. You get 4 options. Based on the kind of blog you want to generate, you can choose any one of them. I want to create a blog on latest topic and AI might not have that latest information. So we are going to choose create outline using real-time info. In this option, Gravity Right searches the web and gathers all the information that it could collect on your topic and create the outline accordingly. So click on create outline. A new outline will be generated for you by gathering the information through various articles on the web. Now, if you click on this icon and then go to settings, you will find the keyword it used to search on the web and create the section's outline for you. This keyword will be different for the next section. If you want to make any changes, you can do it here to customize the blog according to your needs. To change the title of your blog, just click on this icon and it will suggest some title variations. As you can see, these title variations are more intriguing, create curiosity, and make readers click on your article. So just select the one you like and your title will be changed. You can also change the order of the sections just by dragging it like this. Add your own heading by clicking on Add H2 section and add related subheadings by clicking on the plus icon here. If you want to remove any section, you can click on this icon and the section will be deleted for you. Once we have the outline ready, we generate the content for this section, which will have the information you provided here for this particular section. You also get some additional settings like setting the voice for your blog and selecting words per section. You can create a long blog if you select 3000 words per section, or you can create a shorter one with only 50 words per section. If you have done any keyword research, you can paste them here, or you can click on Generate Keywords with AI and the SEO keywords will be generated for you. The last option you have is to choose the image source. Whether you want images to be stock images or AI generated images. We recommend using AI generated images as they are unique to your blog and reduce the risk of copyright issues. Once you are done, click on Continue. And you will be taken to the next step, which is the actual blog generation. Here on the left side, you can see your outline. Now you can start generating each section individually or generate the entire blog at once. Let's do that. Click on Generate All. Here, you will see the websites that it is analyzing to generate the blog. And in few seconds, your entire blog will be ready, including the introduction and conclusion. Also, it has generated all the images. Let's look at the first image. Click here. It looks pretty realistic and the words are also correctly spelled. Amazing, right? Now, if you want to make any changes to your blog, like increasing the length of a particular section, you can do that by clicking here. Select the section length and click on Save and Generate. The section will be regenerated for you. In the same way, make further changes to the blog if you want. Once all is done, click on Preview and Export. As you can see, all the content and images are combined in a very presentable manner. You can also notice the blog contains tables and lists. This makes your blog easier to read and understand, hence increasing your readers' engagement. Once you have generated the blog, now it's time to publish it. You can publish the blog in two ways. First way is to copy the blog from here and paste it on your website. The second and the easiest way is to directly publish from GravityWrite. For this, you have to connect your WordPress website with your GravityWrite account. You can watch this video to see how. The link is in the description. We are going to directly publish the blog, so just select WordPress in the drop-down menu and click on Export to WordPress. Your domain name will appear here. Select the status of your blog, whether you want to publish it right away, keep it as a draft, or schedule it for the future. Let's click on Publish. Then click on Import to WordPress. In a few seconds, you will get the blog post URL and you can view the blog on your website. If you don't want to publish the blog directly, you can download it as a PDF and share it with your clients for a review. So we have created and published a keyword-rich blog post. Now to make it rank higher, we will need meta title and description. But what is meta title and description? It is the content that search engine displays on your web page. It helps search engines understand what your page is about, which helps improving your site's visibility and attracts more clicks from search results. To create meta title and description, we are going to use SEO tools from GravityWrite. You will find it in the category section. Select it and click on meta title and description. Here, paste your blog title and click on Create Content. Meta title and meta description will be generated. You get 5 options for each. Just choose the one you feel is best and use it on your blog post. So we have created SEO enriched blog successfully. Now, to become a go-to expert in your niche, you need to do more than just publish blogs. It's about showing your expertise wherever people are searching. One of the smartest way to do is answering questions on Quora. When you consistently answer niche-related questions on Quora, you position yourself as a helpful voice in your industry, you drive traffic back to your website or your blog post, and you let search engines know that you are an expert in your field and boosting your credibility and rankings over time. So let's go to Quora and log in using our Google account. Now in the search bar, search for your niche. You will find all the questions listed here in your niche. You can start answering them one by one, but writing answers for every question that can take up to hours. So let's make it easier. We will use a tool from GravityWrite called Quora Answers Tool. So just go to the SEO tools section in the left sidebar and click on Quora Answers. Here, enter your brand name, your niche, and the Quora question. Just copy the question from Quora and paste it here. Then click on Create Content. In just a few seconds, your answer is ready. You will get a well-structured response that is informative, to the point, and is written in the tone that suits the Quora platform. You can also change it to make it sound personal. And even you can insert the blog link that is related to this question. Click on this icon and paste your blog post URL. So this way you can drive traffic back to your website. Once you are happy with it, just copy the answer from here and post it on Quora. And that's it. By consistently answering relevant questions, you're not only helping real people with real queries, you're also sending strong signals to search engines about your expertise and relevance in the topic. This is how you build topical authority. So try out SEO tools and AI blog writer from Gravity Write and start your blogging successfully in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Gravity Write for more such content creation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.